Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
এবং তুমি আমাদেরকে একত্রিত করেছো, তোমাকে ধন্যবাদ। বিশেষ করে ধন্যবাদ দিই যে আমাদের মাঝে যে দুই বোন আছে, আরেক বোন আছে,
OneHappyBirthday.com.
আগে বারবার লাস্টে বারবার আমি পাইবে আচ্ছা, গীত সংগীতা 91 অধ্যায় প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত। যে ব্যক্তি পরাৎপরের অন্তরালে থাকে সে সর্বশক্তিমানের ছায়াতে বসতি করে। আমি সদাপ্রভু বিষয় বলিব, তিনি আমার আশ্রয়, আমার দুর্গ, আমার ঈশ্বর, আমি তাহাতে নির্ভর করিব। হ্যাঁ, তিনি তোমাকে ব্যাধের ফাঁদ হইতে ও সর্বনাশক মারি হইতে রক্ষা করিবেন। তিনি আপন পালকে তোমাকে আবৃত করিবেন। তাহার পক্ষের নিচে তুমি আশ্রয় পাইবে। তাহার সত্য ঢাল তনুপ্রাণ স্বরূপ। তুমি ভীত হইবে না রাত্রির ত্রাস হইতে, দিবসে উড্ডীয়মান স্বর হইতে, তিমির বিহারী মারি হইতে, মধ্যাহ্নের সাংঘাতিক ব্যাধি হইতে। পড়িবে তোমার পার্শ্বে 1,000 জন, তোমার দক্ষিণে 10,000 জন, কিন্তু উহা তোমার নিকটে আসিবে না। তুমি কেবল স্বচক্ষে নিরীক্ষণ করিবে, দুষ্টগণের প্রতিফল দেখিবে। হ্যাঁ সদাপ্রভু, তুমি আমার আশ্রয়। তুমি পরাৎপরকে আপনার বাসস্থান করিয়াছ। তোমার কোনো বিপদ ঘটিবে না, কোনো উৎপাত তোমার তাম্বুর নিকটে আসিবে না, কারণ তিনি আপন দূতগণকে তোমার বিষয়ে আজ্ঞা দিবেন, যেন তাহারা তোমার সমস্ত পথে তোমাকে রক্ষা করেন। তাহারা তোমাকে হস্তে করিয়া তুলিয়া লইবেন, পাছে তোমার চরণে প্রস্তরের আঘাত লাগে। তুমি সিংহ ও সর্পের উপর পা দিবে, তুমি যুব সিংহ ও নাগকে পদতলে দলিবে। সে আমাতে আসক্ত, তজ্জন্য আমি তাহাকে বাঁচাইব। আমি তাহাকে উচ্চে স্থাপন করিব, কারণ সে আমার নাম জ্ঞাত হইয়াছে। সে আমাকে ডাকিবে, আমি তাহাকে উত্তর দিব। আমি সংকটে তাহার সঙ্গে থাকিব, আমি তাহাকে উদ্ধার করিব, গৌরবান্বিতও করিব। আমি দীর্ঘ আয়ু দিয়া তাহাকে তৃপ্ত করিব, আমার পরিত্রাণ তাহাকে দেখাইব। ইহাই করুণা ঈশ্বরের ধন্যবাদ। ওর জন্য অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট সত্যি ভালো লাগছে।
Happy birthday,
মোদের হৃদয়খানি। ধন্যবাদ ধন্যবাদ পেয়েছি কত আশীর্বাদ। আমরা অতি ক্ষুদ্র মানব, তোমায় প্রভু করি না স্মরণ। জীবন পথে চলতে শেখাও, শেখাও তোমার ধরিতে চরণ। আমরা অতি ক্ষুদ্র মানব, তোমায় প্রভু করি না স্মরণ। জীবন পথে চলতে শেখাও, শেখাও তোমার ধরিতে চরণ। ধন্য তুমি স্বর্গারোহণ, ধন্য তোমার পুনরাগমন, ধন্য তোমার স্বর্গারোহণ, ধন্য তোমার পুনরাগমন। নিয়ে চলো মোদের তোমার সাথে, নিয়ে চলো মোদের তোমার সাথে, সেই অসীম সুখ স্বর্গধামে, সেই অসীম সুখ স্বর্গধামে। ধন্যবাদ ধন্যবাদ পেয়েছি কত আশীর্বাদ।
Hi there, it's in another video of our, and it's Suman's birthday. So we are here to celebrate it. So let's cut the cake. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. You are born in the zoo with the monkeys and donkeys and an elephant like you. So may God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So guys, let's wish to him. So it's his birthday, and we are blessed to be a part of this. Okay, she just ruined your new dress. It was an accident.
তোমার পুরোটাই তোমার, তুমি খাওয়াবে।
আমি ছুরিতে করে খাওয়াই। হ্যাঁ হাতে করে দেবো দিদি খাওয়ার পর আমি এনে সুমন হাত মগমগে হয়ে গেছে, ছুরি মগমগে হয়ে গেছে। কেন বলতো হাতে করে ইচ্ছে করে দিচ্ছি না। ইয়ে বললাম
So he's looking gorgeous. He's looking gorgeous, like.
খুব সুন্দর লাগছে সুমনকে। হ্যাঁ ভালো লাগছে না, ফর্সা তো। বাবু দেখ আমি একটু ছোট করে তুললাম, কারণ
লাইটে কিন্তু কম লাগছে রুমে।
ওই বাবুটাকে একটু দাও।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোর ছায়াটাও
খেয়েছো?
So
Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video, and if you have loved the video, please do like, comments and share the video, and also subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for more
get enough
updates.
notifications.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you.
So thank you, Suman.
রাতে খাই দেবে, একটু খাই।
May you.
Music বাজছে দাও।
ও মিউজিক বাজছে তো, হ্যাঁ একটা সুন্দর বাজছে।
May you live thousands of years. So, okay guys, if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe the channel of his, obviously, and please press the bell icon to get the notification. So, bye. Someone say bye.
Bye everybody. Take care. Loads of love. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So here I came up with some amazing stuff, and here I end my birthday actually. So I will be showing you what are the amazing stuffs like I have received on my birthday, and how you all have like celebrated my birthday and made it so special. So I'm gonna show you like what are the gifts I have received. So let's have a quick replay of that. Let's see what are the gifts I have received, and I hope that you guys will really love it. So without wasting time, let's shift on the gifts that I've received on my 29th birthday. So thanks to, first of all, I would love to thank you to all the amazing peoples in my life for giving me such amazing gifts, for making my birthday so special. So I would love to thanks to all of you guys for making the 29th birthday of mine like so special. And really this year, this birthday will be very cherishable and very close to my heart, seriously. So I'm seriously thankful to all of you. So thank you. And now I will be showing you what are the gifts I have received on this auspicious day of my life. So chalo, let's see the gifts. Okay, so first and foremost, like I have received this amazing gift from Fast Track, and this is very close to my heart actually, because I love wearing watches, because watches are my biggest fascination. So yes, this is the watch that I received in this birthday, and this is very close to my heart actually. So thank you to Alpana for giving me such a beautiful watch actually. So thank you to her. Okay, so now I will be shifting to the next gift. Okay, so the next gift is this wonderful wallet. And this is the texture is really very nice, and this is complete leather. So I just love this purse, and it's having two sections, one is here and one is this one. So this is another very fabulous gift that I received. Like I'm not a money holder person, I'm a card holder person. So I would love to have some cards and a few cashes and all. So yeah, so thank you so much to one of my amazing friend, my sister. Thank you so much for this amazing bag. Thank you. Amazing purse actually. So I would thanks to her for that. Okay. Next I will be shifting to these amazing shades like that I have received from Silver Carts. So yes, I would love to show you the shade actually. So yes, this is the shade, and let me wear it and show you once guys. Just a second. Okay. So yes, that's the wonderful shade that I received, and thank you so much for this amazing for this amazing sunglass, and this is very close to my heart. And whenever I will be stepping out from my home and towards the heat, I will be wearing this one for sure. So thank you so much to my amazing teacher, my amazing madam, who have gifted me such amazing stuff. So thank you to you. Thank you. Okay, now I'll be shifting to okay, this gift is gifted by very special person of my life, my Coco Bhai, and he has gifted me this amazing lip shades from Huda Beauty. And these shades are so amazing, like I would love to show all of you. The shades are so amazing that I just couldn't resist from this, because they are so amazing, and each of the shades are really amazing, because the colors, the platelet colors are amazing. So yes, so thank you so much. Definitely whenever I will be stepping out from my home, right now I'm wearing this brown shade for sure, and next when I will be stepping out from my home, I will be wearing the colors, and I will be stepping out from my home. So thank you so much. Thank you. It's really amazing to get some makeup stuff when it comes to when you are going outside, and you go for a meeting or for any casual dates or hang out with your friends. So that's really amazing. Okay, so that's another. Okay, now I'll be shifting to this. This is gifted by one of my amazing sister, and he is Anu. Anu has gifted me this amazing Jacqueline Hill palettes. This is from Morphe, and the products of Morphe's are really amazing. Wait, let me show you. This is an eyeshadow palette actually, and the palette is really amazing, as you all can see, and the palette and my nail color are more or less same, white. So yes, and okay, so sorry, so yes, this is the eyeshadow palette, as you all can see. So yes, thank you so much to Anu for gifting me such amazing eyeshadow palette. So thank you to her. Okay, now I'll be showing you this beautiful cushion, and you know, as you all can see that it's having my picture in it. So yes, I'm really very happy to have this, and this is gifted by one of amazing friend of mine. His name is Javed. So thank you so much, Javed, for gifting me such amazing cushion cover with the cushion. Thank you. And the amazing thing is that it has a light actually. Yes, so I hope you can see this. So yes, this is really amazing, and whenever I will be switching off the light of my room, I can just take it and I can hug it and I can sleep. So thank you so much, Javed, for gifting me this amazing pillow cover. Thank you, that means a lot to me. Thank you. I'll definitely, whenever I will be sleeping, I'll be using it for sure. Thank you. Okay, and it was having a little bit of note inside it, and it's written, on this special day, I hope that you get all your heart desire, happiness, peace of mind, prosperity and good health. May you get all these together with special gifts. Happy birthday from Javed. So thank you so much, Javed, for the token of love. Thank you so much. Okay, now this is given by my another sister. Her name is Ajanta, and she has gifted me this amazing t-shirt. So whenever I will be stepping out, and the amazing part of this t-shirt is this backside. I just love, I just love this section because this is so cool and amazing that I love this section very much. So yes, so that is a beautiful t-shirt, and it's amazing, it's amazing. So thank you so much, Ajanta Di, for this wonderful t-shirt actually. And okay, I'm also having another t-shirt, and the color of this t-shirt is wine color, because wines are, I don't know why, I'm very much fascinated with wine colors this time, because these are so amazing and it looks so beautiful. So yes, so this t-shirt is another close to my heart. So thank you so much to Ajanta Di for this amazing, and Shorno Deepa, one of my amazing friend, for giving me this bundle of happiness, because I'm very fashion freak and I love to wear t-shirts, shirts and all. So thank you so much. And with that, I will be ending with this amazing pouch. This is the makeup pouch. I can keep any kind of handy makeups in this bag, and I can put it on my bigger bag or backpacks, and I could go out for a tour or travel. So thank you so much for this amazing makeup pouch. I literally love the work that has been done over here. It's really amazing. So thank you so much. And my birthday is already over, but still I'm getting birthday wishes, and I hope I will be getting more gifts. Those are still coming, but till then I'm having all this stuff with me. So thank you so much, guys, for making my birthday so special. Thank you. Literally, I'm really blessed that yes, I am having few amazing people in my life who really tried and the best to make my birthday so special. So thank you so much to all of you guys. Thank you, and thank you for making the birthday so special of mine. That means a lot to me. So thank you. And I hope you guys have liked the video. If you have loved the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. And a few more videos will be coming very soon. Please keep a watch on it, and I hope you are gonna love that. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Loads of love. Signing off for today. Will come with another video very soon. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay blessed with loads of love. Mwah. Take care. Bye-bye.